empty, like there was nothing there, but we knew something transparent was inside. Something that rippled like music. We were absorbed, listening forever. Bright red blood kept flowing without ever stopping. It felt like no one would be left. I always thought someone had been close to me. I was always waiting for unexpected encounters. I wanted to keep waiting forever. Time and space didn't feel real at all. My body was floating in the air. In dreams, she danced freely in her room. Didn't care about time or distance. In a world where I'm the only one, there's nothing to compare. The fragments of stars I desperately gathered lose their shine, then start shining again. I only watch them. Is that a sin? Being chased away. And is this what now is? A bottomless life. I'm collapsed on my bed. A shelf hiding a music box. Her white figures disappeared around the corner of the hallway. If someone would just play the piano, that would be enough. Wanting nothing at all is just as greedy as wanting everything. Look, the scales are tipping. I have no heart, that can't be true, but I can't feel anything. I need others, but it's only an idea, and ideas don't move me. Something is decreasing, something is increasing. In dreams, she danced freely in her room. Didn't care about time or distance. In a world where I'm the only one, there's nothing to compare. The fragments of stars I desperately gathered lose their shine, then start shining again. I only watch them. Is that a sin? Being chased away. And is this what now is? She can't be found, even though she should be in this house. I don't wanna play hide and seek. Look in the mirror, words. Leaves are scattered all over the garden, on the street. Rain begins to fall, and there's a girl who wants to catch the very first drop in her eyes. I don't need answers, I don't need reasons, I don't need history, I don't need the future. Then what should I want? What was it that I wanted? What do I want to do now? The images are sinking to the bottom.